We're Immobiliser Fit back at Lexus Edgware Road. Today we're protecting a 2020 Lexus Nx300h with a Halo Mini. So if a thief got the key and done a relay attack or went in the wing and went to steal the vehicle, they're going to go to start it up, but as you see it doesn't go to ready. You're going to be unable to drive it away. As you see, hybrid system doesn't start, unable to drive it off. So for the customer, they keep their feet off the pedals. We'll get a double tap from the start button to get the ignition on. Pop our code in. For now we just have a 1, 2, 3, 4. We get a flash from the fog light, and now put our foot on the brake, start the vehicle, it goes to ready and runs. As soon as we exit the vehicle, you see us get 2 flashes, meaning the system's active. So if they grabbed your key as soon as you got home, went to steal it, not going to be able to drive it away. It doesn't take time to activate. As soon as you exit the vehicle, it's on. So once again, try and start, vehicle doesn't go to ready, unable to drive it off. So customers to choose their own code, what they'll do, double tap, first prove it's them with the old code. 1, 2, 3, 4 is what we have for now. We've got our flash to confirm it's us. Foot to the floor 10 times on the accelerator. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we've got our flash, we'll put the new code in. 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll turn the ignition off. We get 1 flash confirming the new code. So now when they get in the vehicle, we'll double press, pop the new code in. 1, 2, 3, 4. We get our flash, we can put our foot on the brake, start the vehicle. When they're taking it for a service, taking it back to Lexus, what they'll do, turn the ignition on like normal, pop their code in, just like they normally would, but on the last press we're going to hold. As you see, we've got 1 flash to confirm it's disarmed. We'll keep it held for 10 seconds, and you'll see we're going to get 5 flashes. Now we've got them, we can let go of the button, turn the vehicle off. When we open the door, it's not going to activate. It's a normal vehicle. We're going to start without a code because it's in service mode. As you see, it's gone to ready, goes into gear. Lexus will be able to drive it, no need to tell them you've got anything fitted. When you get it back, ignition back on, same process as before. 1, 2, 3, 4. Press and hold on your last button. But this time we're only going to get 1 flash. We'll keep it held till we get our flash. Now we've got that, we can let go of the button and turn the vehicle off. The system's active. So open and close the door, we get 2 flashes, system's on. If we try and start, as you see, doesn't go to ready. Try and put it in gear, vehicle's not going to be able to drive. So foot off the brake, double tap, ignition on, code 1, 2, 3, 4. We get the flash from the fog light, and now we can start the vehicle. Goes to ready, we can drive off. And when we turn it off and get out, system's active. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit down at Lexus Edgware Road, securing this Nx300h with a Halo Mini. Thanks for watching.